जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहाँ नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। A very happy Independence Day to everyone present here. Good morning, everyone. Respected chief guest, management, teachers, and my beloved children, a very warm welcome to today's Independence Day celebration. Today, we are gathered here to commemorate a momentous day in our nation's history, the day we achieved our freedom and embarked on the journey of building a nation rooted in the ideas of liberty, justice, and equality. It's the day to remember the sacrifice made by the countless brave souls who fought relentlessly to secure our future. As we stand here today, proud and free, let us take the moment to reflect on the struggles of those who made this possible. I would now request our beloved children to honor our chief guest to the dais for the flag hoisting. So, with this proud moment, our students are ready to march fast for our nation. Children? Yes, it truly does. So, let's start with the march past now. So let us stand straight and we'll have a due respect to our nation. So our children's right there standing over are going to march past and we'll just have a watch of that. ಚಂದ್ರಣ್ಣ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೈಕ್ದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಮೈಕ್ದು ಸೌಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಿ, ಬರ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವೇಟ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ್ರೆ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ಇದೆರಡು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಮಿಡಿಲ್ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು Happy Independence Day. So a round of applause, children. Ma'am, very happy Independence Day, ma'am. And also Amina ma'am, happy Independence Day to us to share her views on importance of Independence Day.
So we could live in a free and happy nation. As students, it's our job to study hard and be good citizens, so we can make our country progress. Always respect our flag, our country, and each other. Together we can keep our country strong and beautiful. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Let's enjoy the day with love for our nation. Thank you.
So moving forward, what better way to celebrate our rich culture and leaders which has enriched our culture and heritage. So now, fancy dress students on the dais. It's a treat to watch back a nation's soul who laid their life for the freedom of our country. So here comes our grade 1 students dressed up as our freedom fighters. ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸಿ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತೈತೆ. Okay, go inside. Thank you.
Calling to all. Happy Independence Day. I am freedom fighter of India.
ಸರಿ, 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ. ಸರಿ, ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
Happy Independence Day. I am Tipu Sultan, freedom fighter of India. Give the gifts of sacrifice. Take it, give the gift by the red. Thank you.
Nice.
Good morning, everyone. Happy
Come this side and stand.
Independence Day.
Only so many people? ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? Nobody came?
Father of Indian Constitution.
Pizza. Ask them to come fast. Go.
Independence Day. I am Jawaharlal Nehru. I am freedom fighter
That's all?
of India.
ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಜನನಾ?
I am first Prime Minister India. I am
3 members absent. Okay, but you people are there, no? Correct, no?
Children call me Tata Nehru. Thank you.
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್?
To all, happy Independence Day. I am Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you. Hello everyone.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
Good morning everyone. Good morning to all. Happy Independence Day. I am Gandhiji.
Father of nation. Father of
Nation. Thank you.
Stand here.
तुझ पे कोई हम किया जान नहीं तू, तुझ पे कोई हम किया जान नहीं तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, लबे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. We wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Destination of the country and its prosperity. I would now request our beloved chief guest, Mrs. Rafat Anis ma'am, to speak a few words to our children.
Today we are celebrating a very special day, Independence Day today. No, 78 Independence Day today we are celebrating. So today we are remembering the heroes of this day. Who are they?
Freedom fighters.
Our freedom fighters who freed our nations from the British rule. No, so sacrificed their lives for the sake of our country. They are Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and many more. So we should remember them always
Here only. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. Don't go
and
there. Come here.
make this day special every year.
Make line fast. Make line
Thank
fast.
you,
Make
Jai
line
Hind.
fast. For being so motivational and inspiring, your words truly reminded us of our responsibility and to be a good human. So we now request Afia ma'am to speak a few words for our children. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yes, a very happy 78th Independence Day to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
It gives me a great pleasure to be here with you today as we celebrate the 78th Independence Day of our beloved nation, India. So what is your country name, children? Can you all tell me?
India.
Yes, our proud nation, India. So this is a day filled with pride, joy, and a deep sense of gratitude for the freedom that we enjoy today. But have you ever thought what this freedom really means, children? Everyone is telling about freedom, but what is this freedom really? Many years ago, I'll tell you a story now. Listen to me, children, everyone. Have your attention towards me. Yes, many years ago, during the struggle for freedom, there was a girl named Kamala. Okay? She was a young, cute girl, same like you. She was a young girl called Kamala. She lived in a small village and loved going to school. Okay? Just like how you love coming to Holy Saint, the same way Kamala also loved going to school. But in those days, many children, especially the girl children, were not allowed to attend the school because at that time the British rule was there. They did not allow the girls to go to school and study. And Kamala's father believed in the power of education. So he wanted his child to go to the school and make use of the education. One day as Kamala was walking to school, she saw a group of people gathering around a tree where a man was giving a very important speech. Okay, just like how I am giving, there was an old man under a tree. He was giving a speech to a group of gathered
people. So you know, this man was named as Mahatma Gandhi. He was giving that speech, and Kamala went to that under the tree, and even she stood silently and listened to the freedom speech that Mahatma Gandhi was giving at that time. Okay, so Kamala was very passionate, and she heard what Mahatma Gandhi was saying, that everyone should have equal rights. Correct? Equal rights to education, equal rights for growth and development. So Kamala, after listening to Mahatma Gandhi, she started to spread the same message to all the people near her neighborhood, near her house. Okay? She wanted everyone to know about the equality and right to education. So she started to spread the message to her friends, to her neighborhood, neighbors, girls and all. Okay? So later on what happened? The whole group of the village started protesting along with Mahatma Gandhi. She spread the awareness. Being a young girl like you, she gave that motivation to all others. Okay? So you don't think that we are small, what can we do? No. You are also playing a part in our country's growth and development, children. Okay? So as students, you may sometimes feel that you are too young to make a difference, right? You can't do anything, we don't have any power, nobody will listen. But remember Kamala's story. Even a small act like helping a friend in homeworks, being kind to others, or studying hard in your studies, children, can contribute to the greatness of our nation. Education, hard work and kindness are powerful tools that can help you achieve anything you set your mind to. And India is a land full of opportunities, and each of you has the potential to be a leader, creator and an innovator. So this is my message to you all for today's independence. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
So we're celebrating 78 Independence Day. Do you like the dance? Congratulations, Anya ma'am. Next teacher for the junior KG, it's Megha. She's a teacher for senior KG there. Congratulations, ma'am.
ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮುನಿ ಕಾರಣಾಂತರದಿಂದ ಆಗಮಿಸಲು ಆಗದಿರುವ ಮುನಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Personally like to thank each and everyone present over here, and I also wish you a very happy 70th Independence Day. So special thanks to Nikhil sir and his team for coming all over and making this event very memorable, and the teachers, the staff, the teaching, non-teaching staff, the security, the students here. I would like to thank each and every one of you to make this event so successful. Okay children, listen here. Listen.